Good day, please introduce yourself.
Good day, I'm Jinilin Paganpan, 34 years old, and I was born in Santikon, Malilicut, Albay. I'm recently residing at Block 5, Brilliant View, Bagumbong, Caloocan City.
Okay, what is your height and your weight?
5'3" and 65 kilos.
Okay, what is your educational attainment?
High school graduate.
Okay, and are you married or single?
Married
Happily married with how many kids?
to
How old?
8 and 11 years old, ma'am. Two
Okay,
girls.
two girls,
Yes.
both girls. Okay. How many brothers and sisters do you have?
4 boys and 4 girls.
Okay. What is your educational attainment?
High school graduate.
High school graduate. Are you ex-abroad?
No, ma'am.
How about here in the Philippines? Do you have any work experience?
Yes, ma'am.
So please tell us about it.
First, couple and one child.
Okay, so you work inside the house?
Yes, ma'am.
You serve 3 family members. How
Yes,
many years you work in their family?
2 years, ma'am.
Okay, and what are your duties?
Cleaning the house, cooking, and ironing, ma'am.
So you do all the household
Yes.
chores. Okay, how old is the child?
7 months.
7 years old already. Okay, how do you take care of 7-year-old child?
Preparing to eat, ma'am, and taking a bath.
Okay, and how about tutoring their lessons in school? Can you also do that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, how about singing them children's song?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, how about reading storybooks if you're going to sleep? You also do that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you said that you cook inside their house.
Yes, ma'am.
What kind of dishes can you cook?
Filipino dishes, ma'am.
Like?
Adobo, sinigang, vegetable, and fried dishes, ma'am.
Fried dishes. So how about Chinese dishes?
A little, ma'am.
Okay, like?
Um,
Like, or you don't have an idea?
yes.
Okay, but if your employer in Hong Kong, they only eat Chinese dishes, are you willing to learn?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and so newly born babies, do you have experience?
Yes, ma'am.
Because you already have 2 kids. Okay, so how do you take care of newly born babies?
Taking care of a newborn baby is quite delicate, but based on my personal experience to my children, I can handle them.
Okay, so what are the things that you do?
Feeding the bottle, ma'am. Changing diaper, ma'am. And taking up.
Taking a bath also. What if the baby is crying? What do you think is the reasons? Or what do you think are the reasons why the baby is crying?
First, ma'am, hungry and diaper is full and her sick, ma'am.
The baby is sick.
Baby is
Okay,
sick.
in Hong Kong, when when the child is sick or there's something happened to the child or the baby and your employer is out, what is the best first step that you need to do?
Maybe I call my employer, ma'am, and
You call then
tell them that
that
The-
what's happening to the child. Okay, very good. And how about elderly? Do you have any experience taking care of them?
no, ma'am.
Okay, in Hong Kong, if your employer have an elderly or disabled person inside the house, are you willing to take care of them?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and what are the appliances that you know how to operate?
Washing machine, ma'am, ironing and vacuum and electric fan, aircon.
All electric
Yes, ma'am.
appliances. Okay. Most people in Hong Kong are speaking Cantonese. Are you willing to learn their language?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because of much high salary, ma'am, and this way I will help my family in the Philippines.
Okay. So, can you give message to your future employer?
Yes, ma'am. If you choose me as domestic helper, I promise to obedient and trustworthy, and I promise to finish my 2 years contract and to to obey and respect all the member of their family.
Okay, thank you.